Saturday night, 11:43 p.m. His phone is still in his hand. He's checked the numbers 4 times. Same 6 numbers, 4 times. He sets the phone face down on the kitchen table, picks it up again, and checks once more. $314 million. He doesn't scream. He doesn't cry. He just sits there in a kitchen that smells like the same dinner he's made every Tuesday for 11 years and tries to understand what just happened to his life. He has no idea that the hardest part hasn't started yet. Meet James. James is 44. He works a warehouse job in Columbus, Ohio, makes $52,000 a year, has $4,200 in a savings account he hasn't touched since 2019, and drives a 2011 Honda with 190,000 miles on it. By Wednesday morning, James is a millionaire. By Wednesday afternoon, his brother calls. By Thursday, there are 7 more calls. Family members he hasn't spoken to in years, a high school friend, and someone who once lent him $40 at a concert in 2003 and never forgot it. By Friday, a financial advisor he's never met is sitting at his kitchen table with a leather folder and a warm handshake. James signs 3 documents he doesn't fully understand. This is where it starts. Here's what the research actually shows. 70% of lottery winners lose their entire winnings within 5 years. Not some of it, all of it. Back to zero, or worse, into debt.